Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can reset and then how you can set up an Aoycocr smart plug in 2026. So first of all, you need to plug the smart plug into the working wall outlet. And after doing so, you just have to wait for the LED light, whether it is flashing. So if it is not flashing, you can just simply press and hold this particular power button for at least 5 to 10 seconds, and then you just have to wait whether the LED starts flashing rapidly. So when it does, you need to simply launch your Smart Life application on your phone. Then when you log in into your account, simply select the option of add device, or you can also select the option of this plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you just have to simply select your device from the list. If you are not able to find the device over here, you can just simply use this particular scanner, and then you can scan the QR code which comes inside its manual. So when it does, you just have to simply follow further on screen instructions in order to set up your smart plug. So once it is connected, you can give it a name like lamp, fan, or coffee maker, and then you can use it in the application in order to turn the outlet on and off. So if the connected device is responding correctly, it means that the setup was successful. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.